it's Laura. This is my vlog. It is like 4:30 a.m. and we are here in the financial district. It is quiet. I hear birds. I like birds. Birds are me. I am bird. Yes, I am a bird, and I've come to realize that. Like, I always knew I was a bird. Like, I always knew I could fly. I had some type of ability to be able to fly. But tonight I really learned that I am truly a bird, because the way they communicate is the way I also communicate. Like, it's not direct, but you know what they want, and that is the same. The camera's watching me. The same thing that I go through. So I am a bird, and I will soar through Manhattan Financial District, 4:30 a.m. April 8th, I'm gonna say. April 8th, no, maybe April 9th. April 9th, 2018. I have learned that I am a bird, and there's no other way to live a life than to be a bird. Thank you.